Hello guys, Ekrem from City Roast here. In this quick video I want to show you how to make a standard Caffe Latte like we do in Denmark. But in this case, one of my customers, Michael, standing over there, he's going to help me to show you guys how he does it. Michael, he runs a business called Caffe på hjul. It is in English translated coffee on wheels. Actually quite a nice name. Hello Michael.
Hey.
Thanks for helping us out. See, this is Michael's coffee wagon. You can find him on Osterbro, on Danish Østerbro, where he's making one of the best coffees in Copenhagen, guys. Michael, will you please share with us how you make a standard Caffe Latte?
Yes, of course.
So, Michael is using the double shot of espresso. And he's using a standard 12 ounce or 360 milliliter cup. And the espresso is looking very sharp and nice. He's using organic milk from Jersey cows. Let's see some magic, guys. He's making a nice microphone that is not too thick. So guys, here we have a standard Caffe Latte in Denmark, 360 milliliter cup with a beautiful heart on top, nice and silky, shiny, smooth milk. There you go, guys. This is the way how to make a Caffe Latte like a professional barista. Thank you very much, Michael. Take care.